Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Poppy Putri Nahrawi Premaning Ayu. I'm from University of PGRI Kanjuruhan Malang. Today I will presentation and the topic of the presentation is implementation of discussion method in developing critical thinking abilities in grade 5 science learning. The discussion method is a learning approach that involves interaction between two or more people so that there is a process of exchanging information and understanding each other's point of view. An important skill in the 21st century is critical thinking skills. Critical thinking is a high-level thinking skill to help students improve their analytical skill. This ability is important in the process of solving problems and finding the right solution. Critical thinking can be measured from the critical thinking indicators put forward by Ennis with 5 indicators. The subject of science and social studies plays an important role in developing students' critical thinking skill. Science and social studies allow students to explore social issues that are relevant to everyday life. The next page is research purpose. The purpose of this study was to analyze the implementation, impact, and obstacles of the discussion method in developing students' critical thinking skills in learning science in chapter 6 of My Wealthy Indonesia in grade 5. The next page is research method. First is types of research. Type of research is descriptive qualitative research. In this research, the researchers will act as the main instrument as well as the data collector. The stage in this research consists of 4 stages. First is namely the field stage, and the second is the implementation stage, and the third is the data analysis stage, and the last is the final report writing stage. And then the next is data collection technique. In this research, I use 4 data collection technique. First is observation and test, interview, and then documentation. First is observation. Observation will do in 5 grade teachers and 5 grade students. And then 2 is test. Test will given to 5 grade students, and each question is tailored to critical thinking indicator from Ennis. And then interview to know the implementation of discussion methods. And the last is documentation. In the documentation, lot teaching modules, photo during implementation, and student test result. The next I will talk about instrument. First is observation. Observation will give to 5 grade teacher and 5 grade students. And the second is test. Test will give to 5 grade students. And then the last is interview. Interview will give to 5 grade teacher. The next topic I will talk about result and discussion. Based on the result of observation and interview, information has been obtained that in science learning, teachers apply discussion method, and the discussion method is implemented according to the step according to Supriyati in 2020. The first stage, the teacher delivers the material using PowerPoint media, maps, videos, and image. The teacher asks questions, and then the students answer along with their reasons. This ability shows the process of rational thinking and makes students think more deeply. The second stage, teacher use heterogeneous group division. Students divide roles and develop discussion steps that reflect their ability to design and manage strategies. The third stage, the teacher gives student worksheet containing problems. The process of solving these problems requires students to reason, analyze, evaluate, and draw conclusions so as to encourage students to think critically. The teacher acts as a facilitator. Fourth stage, student presents the result of their discussion in front of the class. Other groups respond, and the teacher also provides feedback. The fifth stage, students together compile conclusion from the material has been studied systematically and logically. This ability shows that students have good analytical thinking skills. The discussion method have impact. First impact is students actively work together, express opinion, dialogue, and exchange opinions. And the second, students can understand problems, analyze, and find solution. The third is students' communication skills will be improved. And the last is students can appreciate difference of opinion. And then discussion method also have obstacle. First is difference in speed in complicating group assignment. And then the second is students' voice tend to be quiet during presentation. And then the last is there are some students who joke around so that time is limited. Based of the result of the test have been carried out by students. It is known that 27 students in grade 5 have high critical thinking skills. There is one student who has moderate critical thinking skills and 0 students who have low critical thinking skills. This picture is student answer. The first student answer that students are able to explain the reasons why Indonesia is called a maritime country and mention the benefit of the sea. This allows students to reason. And then the second answer that the students are able to understand the meaning of map colors well. This allows students to identify geographic information. The third student answers that students are able to draw conclusions about the negative impact of illegal logging. This makes students connect cause and effect to understand environmental problems. The fourth student answer that makes students are able to explain further explanation regarding the prohibition of the use of fish bombs. This makes students analyze and environmental impacts more deeply. The five students answers that make students are able to organize strategies and tactics in preserving macro forests. This allows students to design strategies to protect the environment. That's all my presentation. But before I close my presentation, let me give a conclude. Based on the result of the research and discussion, it can be concluded that the implementation of discussion method in learning science subject chapter 6 My Wealthy Indonesia in grade 5 provides very high result in developing students' critical thinking skill. The discussion method can be create an interactive learning atmosphere where students will be encouraged to be able to participate actively, express their opinion, analyze information, and be able to draw conclusions from what they have learned logically and systematically. The discussion process encourages students to have honed their critical thinking skills through 5 indicators of critical thinking according to Ennis. Students' critical thinking skills are very high. This is indicated This is indicated by the test result, which show that 27 students have high critical thinking skills and one student is in the moderate category. The discussion method has a positive impact, but it is undeniable that this method also have several obstacles, such as difference in work speed between groups, time constraints due to some students who are less focused and joke around, and students' voice tend to be quiet during presentation. That's all my presentation. Thank you for listening my presentation and thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.